Hi guys, welcome to another farming video. Now in today's video I'm going to be telling you guys a few diseases, viruses and disorders that can take tomato plant. Now whenever you're farming tomato, you need to be very careful because tomato is a very delicate plant. Now let's jump into it, guys. Now you have bacterial spots, you have bacterial wilt, you have leaf mold, you have leaf spot, and this is bacterial wilt. So guys, yes, if anyone didn't know what bacterial wilt look like, this is bacterial wilt. And we also have late blight, early blight, pit necrosis, black eye rot, anthracnose, you have fusarium wilt, southern blight, seedling diseases, also known as dumping off. So that's when you plant the seed in the potting soil and you see it come up and you wonder, say, how it looks so. Yeah, so that's dumping off. And we also have spotted wilt, have tomato yellow leaf curl, and I think that is one of the most common things also, guys, different from early blight and late blight that you see in tomato. You leave them woolly yellow and then it will drop off. We also have viruses that affect tomato, such as tobacco mosaic virus, also known as TMV. And as you guys all know that you can't get rid of virus. So if you have it on the plant, all you have to do is just keep on treating it and hopefully you'll get some yield out of the tomatoes. And we also have root knot nematodes, and you also have some disorders that affect tomatoes, that blossom end rot. You know, the blossom rot off and all that before you put out any fruit. And you have sun scald tomatoes. You also have growth cracks, poor fruit set, cat facing, leaf roll, and herbicidal injuries. Now guys, I'm going to do another video explaining all of these fungal and bacterial disease that I've just shown you guys. So stay tuned for that next video, and I'm going to be explaining what you can use to treat it, but because in these cases you can't really prevent diseases on tomato. I don't think you can prevent it, to be honest. So you try everything to try say you try buy this expensive spray and such to try prevent certain things from happening to tomato. It won't happen. So I just want to say I'm gonna do a next video on that, so stay tuned for that. Look out for that video and go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment and share this video. So until next time, guys, thanks so much for watching.